If you're in sales and you'd like to be hitting your sales targets and dominating the leaderboard every single month, then listen up for just a moment. What you need is a full calendar and a full sales pipeline, and AI technology is now available for you to be able to do exactly that and target your ideal leads in just a few clicks. Let me show you how this system works and walk it through with you. We're going to start with a fictional company profile that you can then relate to your business. So at the moment, we've got our business name, Commercial Finance and Money. We've got our website, what we do for companies, who it helps, what it does for them, frees up cash flow, and a fictional name and company details here. This is then becoming our profile that our AI will use to approach and target our ideal clients. So let's create a new campaign. This is how quickly we can do this from scratch. So we're going to be looking for logistics companies, and we're going to use the system to now find our ideal client in just a few clicks. So now let's come up here and go logistics, and let's look in any location anywhere in the world. So I might say we're looking in Seattle. Let that find our location, boom, and go. And in just a few seconds, we'll find our ideal list of clients start to pop through into the program. How would you like your clients on the screen that quickly? So now we've got their business name and address, we've got their reputation and website, we've got their phone number, and we can continue to just keep loading more and more and more leads into this system. So remember, we're looking for a particular company in a particular location with this first method of search. And you can go as narrow or as broad as you want to go with this search. And the magic is happening in the program right now. We're going to see these results popping through, and we're starting to see some amazing things coming right now. So we can start by looking at these colorful icons. We can now go directly to the social profiles for each of our ideal leads. We can see their Facebook page, their Instagram, their LinkedIn profile, their Twitter account and YouTube channel if they have those available. We can start to see some amazing things, and what we're bringing in is the real contact information, the contact details, including first name, last name, cell phone number if it's available, of all of the contacts within these companies. So now you can reach out to these companies in a multitude of ways. You can email them, you can call them, you can reach out to them on social by simply clicking on any of these icons and going straight to that person's page. From one page, we can message them and we can communicate with them on their social platforms. But what are we going to say? That's where the AI really kicks in to what we're doing here as well. So I've got different AI capabilities within the tool. Let's start by looking at creating a summary of that company. As a salesperson, you're looking to be able to wow this customer with your knowledge of their business. Let the AI create a summary for you and tell you about the system, giving you bullet points of exactly who this company is and what they do. And the best part, giving you a tip on the best way of communicating with their company based on the AI doing an analysis of their website. So we can see the bullet points of the company and a best methodology for creating an inquiry with this company. That's our first area with the AI. The next is we can create an introductory paragraph. The AI will now actually analyze their website using that profile information that you've created in the system and give you an opening paragraph that you can now use to communicate with that client. So we look and we say, we came across your website as a representative of, and we've got the business information we put into there. We can introduce our company, what we do, everything that we have, and our system there. Now we can literally just copy and paste this straight into an email, straight into a social communication, straight into a communication with our ideal prospect. And our final AI there, if you do want to use an email, will create an opening subject line for you as well. So our AI tool will now create a subject line looking to help connect you with your ideal prospects. Find, identify, and communicate with your ideal prospects in just a second. We have different methods of searching. We looked at industry, by niche, by vertical, find me all of this type of company. We can also look by role within a company. So I can come in here and say, find me all of the CEOs of logistics companies. And we can find, we'll stick in Seattle just to make it quick. So we'll see all of the people who match the role specifically within the company. And boom, now we're starting to get the actual people that we're looking for within the system. And we can use the single search to really narrowly focus in on one company at a time. So if you wanted to, for example, be able to find everybody that worked at Tesla.com or Apple.com, our single search will easily be able to pull those results in for you. So now we're able to bring in your ideal client with a number of different searches, letting AI do the work for you in the background, allowing you to seamlessly communicate with your ideal prospects on multiple platforms, and all done with the click of a few buttons. If you're a salesperson or you have salespeople working with you and you want them to be hitting and exceeding their targets on a regular basis, let AI lead generation take the reins for you, and let's create some momentum in your sales pipeline.